Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have clean response rows and item columns. Now begin. First, convert blanks to NA and ensure every item cell is numeric 0/1. Once done, create a new sheet called Scoring and paste the item matrix. Next, add a total column with SUM across items so you can rank examinees. Make sure to lock headers and freeze panes for easier navigation. Finally, save the workbook before running formulas to avoid losing steps. You now calculate metrics that tell you how items behave. Use average on each item column to get difficulty. Difficulties near 0 or 1 indicate extremes. Once difficulties exist, create a total minus item column to avoid spurious inflation, and then use Coral between each item and that adjusted total to estimate discrimination. After computing, sort items by discrimination and difficulty to spot weak items. Make sure to document formulas next to each item so changes remain transparent. You are ready to finalize decisions. First, remove or revise items flagged for poor difficulty or low discrimination, then recompute totals and metrics to confirm improvement. Next, calculate reliability, Cronbach's alpha, either with the analysis tool pack or by computing the covariance matrix and applying the formula. Once satisfied, produce a summary sheet with item ID, difficulty, discrimination, and alpha. Troubleshooting tip. If correlations look off, check for miscoded values or hidden non-numeric characters. Fix those and recalculate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.